depression, anxiety, fear, pain, OCD, PTSD. There is no scientific approach to identify if someone is mentally ill or suicidal. We must become aware of certain early warning signs.
Avoiding friends and family. Hiding from everyone.
Getting frustrated and angry.
Insecure in his or her shape.
Pasanin lang ako sa pamilya ko.
Gusto ko nang mamatay. Wala akong silbi.
Walang nakakantindi sa akin.
Mahirap pa ako intindihin.
If you know someone experiencing this, just listen and talk to them. They need it.
Sabihin mo, makikinig ako. Kaya natin yan, tayong dalawa.
Alam kong mahirap. Take time, malalagpasan mo din yan.
Make a way to seek help and open your thought. You need a family teacher and a family member. Konting pagkikinig sa kanila at intindi, enough na yun.